Hello and good morning to all of you. From today, we are going to start the another fantastic topic, and also we call it the researches of the particular topic. That is the subject and the career field of every one of you. So here we go. First of all, discuss it geography, importance of geography, and also how to get the highest marks in geography. So let's discuss now what is geography. The word geography originates from two Greek words. The first geo, which means the earth, and the second one Greek word is graph, which means to write. So what is the origin of the word geography? The first recorded use of the word geography was by Eratosthenes, a Greek scholar who lived from 276 to 194 BC, who is credited with creating the discipline of geography. What we study in geography and what is studies in geography? You can call it in two types of sentences. So therefore, geography is the science that deals with the description of the earth's surface. Geography is a multidisciplinary field that studies spatial patterns. I mean to say spatial patterns and phenomenon. Geography is much more than cartography, the study of maps, or simply knowing the capitals of every country. The field of geography not only investigates what is where on the earth, but also why it is there and not somewhere else, sometimes referred to as location in space. So geography studies this whether the cause is natural or human. So geography is basically the question what we ask, why this is happening and how this is happening. So if you are gonna find these questions, and if you are gonna find these answer of this question, so this is the answer of geography. So it also studies the consequences of those differences. Here are three types of geography. Geography can be broadly categorized as three main focus areas. First, physical; second, human; third, environmental geography. So first, physical geography, it is the study of natural environment. Okay, natural environment. The second one, human geography, it is the study of human population and what is done, how it is done in human society. And the third one, environmental geography or environment geography, it is the study of how people are affected by and change the natural environment by themselves. So let's discuss now one by one the branches of geography. There are broadly branches of the geography. Here are some example of disciplines in human geography. First of all, culture geography, economic geography, health geography, historical geography, political geography, population geography, rural geography, social geography, transport geography, and urban geography. So this is the branches of human geography. Let's discuss the another slide. The some examples of disciplines studies in the physical geography are geomorphology, climatology, hydrology, biogeography. So there are also some important examples of geography as a regional geography, geomatics geography, cartographs. Why geography is important? Actually, geography is the wonderful and very impressive subject ever. if you are interested in geography, then select it because it will help you a lot to maximize your creativity, to maximize the information, not on the theory as well as the practical. So geography helps us to explore and understand space and place, recognizing the great differences in cultures, political systems, economics, landscape and the environments across the world, and exploring the links between them. Now this is the most important slide. So how to get good marks in geography? Actually, you need to focus on some point what I am going to tell you. So carefully read or listen this slide. First of all, read books completely around 2 or 4 to 5 times. I recommend not 2, but I recommend you 4 to 5 times rather than question bank or anything else at the exam time. तो आप सभी लोगों को किताबों को ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा पढ़ना है, उनको समझना है. क्वेश्चन बैंक या भी किसी भी एक शॉर्ट टर्म इंफॉर्मेशन देने वाली किताब से कहीं ज़्यादा बेहतर है हमें अपनी पूरी बुक्स को ध्यान से लगभग 5 बार अगर पढ़ लिए तो एकदम सब सटीक बैठेगा आपका क्वेश्चन का ऑटोमेटिकली आंसर. एंड देन फोकस ऑन द प्रैक्टिकल रादर देन थ्योरी. Everyone know, focus on the practical rather than theory and highlights the main points and speak loudly the information which is in the highlight points. उसके बाद में आप सभी लोगों को हाईलाइट करना है पॉइंट को, चाहे वो किताब में करो, अपनी बुक में करो या फिर नोटबुक में करो. उसके बाद में उस किताब को क्लोज करके हाईलाइट पॉइंट की इंफॉर्मेशन को आपको अपने अकॉर्डिंग मैनिपुलेट करके बोलना है तेज, कि ताकि आपका दिमाग उस चीज को समझे. एंड डू नॉट मग अप द कंटेंट. आपको कंटेंट को रटना नहीं है. डोंट मग अप द कंटेंट, जस्ट अंडरस्टैंड द होल कॉन्सेप्ट. फंडामेंटल ऑल्सो शुड बी रिमेंबर्ड. आपको फंडामेंटल, वो चाहे ज्योग्राफी हो या किसी भी सब्जेक्ट का हो, आपको फंडामेंटल यानी कि बेसिक्स सब पता होना चाहिए हर उस चीज का जिसका आप एग्जाम देने जा रहे हैं. एंड द इम्पोर्टेंट थिंग बट नॉट द लीस्ट, ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड द इंडिया एंड द वर्ल्ड मैप एंड स्केच दीज मैप्स ऑन योर पेपर मोर एंड मोर. जब आप इंडिया और वर्ल्ड के मैप्स को बार बार बनाते चले जाओगे और उन सबकी लोकेशन को डालते चले जाओगे, कौन सी लोकेशन कहाँ है, कहाँ पोलैंड है, कहाँ श्रीलंका है, कहाँ पाकिस्तान है, कहाँ यूपी है, कहाँ एमपी है, तो इससे आपको बहुत ज़्यादा नहीं बल्कि बहुत ज़्यादा ही मैं कहूँगा आउटस्टैंडिंग परफॉर्मेंस जाने वाली है आपकी. So thank you very much for watching our video. If you like this video, if you watch this video more and more, then please share this video to the others so that people can read, can understand with Mission Parivartan.